Jabs unjani?
I'm good.
Jabs
Mhm.
ubuzibukele i-proceedings Friday.
Oh, yes, I did.
Okay. I want us to talk about something that happened on Friday that I don't really understand what is that all about. Maybe I could be wrong. I'm coming up with my ideas of what I think is going on there. Why is that situation happening? So, first thing, Umnisi said what he said, and Umnisi requested the documents that he was requesting, right? While we were in the process of
Mm.
that, Umnisi, no judge, had a run in, dealt with that, and then it ended up having the judge saying, you know what, bring all the AVL and stuff. While we were busy, like curious with what's happening with the judge, he's not normally like this. I was shocked to see Ubaloi being the one that is suggesting that they must take an adjournment and postpone evidence until Monday. And this evidence is being postponed because they want a short witness that is going to come. It's someone from LPC. For a second there, the judge thought that that person was there in court and then it's going to be something that was going to be done that Friday. And then Baloi had to explain. However, for me, that left so many questions in my head. I could not understand why would Baloi, I think also it jumped over Mrs. Head because he was focused on what he was doing. I did not understand why would in the middle of a cross-examination, which was very hot the entire week, then the next thing that Baloi does is to request that they pause Gininda's cross-examination so that they can bring someone from LPC. Then the judge is asking Uguti, is that person an admitted attorney? And then he's like, no. Now, my question that I have, if my thoughts, I don't know, I want to hear your thoughts about it because I do not understand why he would pause cross examination in the middle of it just to bring someone who can wait because I don't see where the rush is.
Yes. So there is nothing untoward with that.
Mm.
It's because maybe they realizing what they're busy trying to write. Maybe he's busy writing his argument. Maybe it's the part here Mchiako that is missing, basically.
Mm-hmm.
So the LPC wants to quickly finish that and be left with it. So, but then also for me, nah, I'm also thinking, no, Nuguti, you can call another witness just to distract.
Yes.
Yes. To distract where but then now the judge is wary. If it's LPC and the person who's coming to talk about lawyers is not an admitted lawyer or advocate, then it's gonna be a problem.
Uh,
You can't be a staff in J working at LPC. I think that you need to have some things because I just heard Raja say so that we don't waste each other's time. Because you can't talk about abafundisi where else you not umfundisi, uthi yeah. Well, I don't know, maybe you can.
my thoughts, Jabulo, when it comes to that, tell me if my thinking is offside. Because I'm thinking for Baloyi to bring this person now, I could be wrong. For Baloyi to bring this person now, Ubaloyi is feeling the heat and things are so out there. And at some point, we saw him trying to win this case by all means necessary. By hook or crook, he was winning this case. However, this past week is 1 week that actually destroyed the entire case back to zero now. They are at zero now. It's no longer state leading, or even if they can cook Esbom Gomezu. And then I felt like the way Nisi was cross-examining the entire week, it exposed Balui himself a lot, whether he wants to admit it or not, but it was there and you could see defeat written all over his face. So personally, I'm thinking maybe Ubaloi is either what you are saying, distracting, and also while busy distracting the people, either he is trying to throw Mjiyako under the bus. He is weighing his options, trying to see ukuthi if we bring Mjiyako and we lose the case, my secrets are gonna be hidden somewhere, somehow. But if I keep on allowing Gininda to be speaking, because the issue here is Gininda who's talking a lot, allow Gininda to continue talking, then that is also bringing problems for himself as member of DPP. I could be wrong.
Yeah, no, well, nobody knows Baloyi's strategy around this case. No? But then all we know that he's surrounded by lies. You see? So I think for me, generally, I think it's just maybe he's scared that he had already said Gininda is his last witness. Maybe wants other witnesses to come through via the defense. So I think that is that I think it's also in the interest of his case that Zungu comes back.
Yeah, when at that one. But it wasn't he the one who got up and said, what are the basis of Zungu coming back?
Last time, I can't remember.
Yes, that's what he was the one who questioned that when Missy got up and said, and then the judge was like, give me the law. That's how we got to the judge saying, give me the law. What are the basis of someone returning?
Yeah. So yes, I think for me expectations, nothing more, but I just see that maybe the defense might want to grill this person a lot.
Okay. No, I was just thinking about it. It looks like there's a lot going on with that person that is being called in the middle of cross-examination of someone else. It was just very weird for me.
Yeah, because I think he had already decided that because of the request, it might take long. Now.
Bye-bye.
Bye.